Guys, we are doing deliveries today. These are one of the chairs that are being transported to Westlands. Yeah, these are the chairs being transported to Westlands. Yes, good afternoon, guys. My name is Oscar Kibet. Today we are transporting one of these chairs to Westlands. So we are just here at the workshop. As you can see, sofas which are going to be transported to Westlands. Yeah, finally we managed to finish. So it's our delivery time today. Yeah, so I'll share with you next where we were headed to. Yeah, so guys, we are close to the destination. This is Westlands. Maybe I can reverse the camera so that you can. Yeah, this is Westlands. This is the guy taking us. Yeah, this is Westlands. So we'll be using it's called General Madenge route. Yeah, at least so that you're able to reach our destination. So I'm showing you guys the view of how Westlands looks like. This is one of the posh areas of Nairobi. It's where the prime class live. This is exactly where they live. So we'll be using General Madenge Drive. There's a lot of construction in this area. There are so many developers here. It's one of the prime areas for real estate. The place is growing very, very fast. General Madenge Drive is that one. Yeah, so this is the place. Yeah, so I'll show you once we are there. There are so many potholes here and some slight lack of stability on the road. So this is how Westlands looks like. For those ones who want to tour Kenya, this is how Westlands looks like. So once we reach there, guys, I'll be able to share again. Yeah, so guys, we're almost on destination. We're close to where we are supposed to be.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.